Hello everyone, so in this video let's look at another important advanced Python concept, the list comprehension. Now let's say we have a task where we want to add all the multiples of 10 between 0 and 100 into a new list, and let's say we have an already existing list that goes between 0 and 100 using the range function. By the way, when you're using range function, if you say range 101, that means it's going to hold numbers between 0 and 100. That is, the number that you add here is exclusive. Now let's say you have this list and you want to add all the multiples of 10 into this new list, LST, which is an empty list at the moment. The way we can do that is by using a for loop. And then here use an if statement and then once you access and check if the item is divisible by 10, you add the item into the new list. By the way, here we are using the list's append function in order to add the item to the list. Finally, if we print the list out, we get list that is going between 0 and 100, except they are all multiples of 10. Now let's say we want to do the same thing using list comprehension. This can be done in just one line. So basically in list comprehension, what we do is we create a new list, we use the for loop and also the if statement and the append in just one line. So the way we do that is by first creating a new variable, let's say list2, which is a list, and then here we access each of the items using a for loop as follows. So we declare the variable first, and then we write the for loop, followed by the for loop we add the if statement. And now when we print this, you'll see that we get the same result. There you go. So instead of 4 lines, we were able to compress the code to just 1 line. So this is how Python's list comprehension works.